Material in this video contains content included in the RBT Test Content Outline, 3rd edition, TCO. C.4. Implement Naturalistic Teaching Procedures. A registered behavior technician named Samantha arrives at Ben's home for his ABA session. Ben has been working on communication and social skills. Instead of beginning with a structured lesson, Samantha follows Ben's lead, observing his interests. She notices him reaching for his favorite toy car on a high shelf. Samantha then says, "Car," prompting Ben to verbalize his request. He points to the car, but doesn't speak. Using incidental teaching, Samantha models again, "car," and waits. When Ben says the word, "car," Samantha immediately rewards him with the toy car. This functional communication practice helps him learn that using words results in access to reinforcement. Later, during snack time, Samantha uses natural environment teaching by encouraging Ben to ask for more crackers. Instead of simply giving him more, she waits for a verbal request. "More?" she prompts, holding the crackers. Ben says, "More crackers," and Samantha praises him while handing him another cracker. At the park, they practice turn-taking with peers, reinforcing generalization of social skills. By embedding learning into Ben's daily life, Samantha ensures he practices skills naturally. She shares strategies with Ben's parents, ensuring consistency across people and environments. This collaboration strengthens his progress, demonstrating the power of naturalistic teaching in ABA. Naturalistic teaching is an ABA approach that helps clients learn skills in real-life settings by using their interests and daily activities. Instead of structured lessons, learning happens through play, social interactions, and everyday routines. This method reinforces skill development in natural contexts, encouraging the use of newly learned behaviors in everyday situations. Discrete trial teaching is a structured ABA method that provides precise practice of specific skills through repetition in a controlled setting. This structured approach helps many learners develop consistency and mastery of targeted behaviors. However, it may not always promote spontaneous use of skills in real-world situations. In contrast, naturalistic teaching takes place in everyday environments, embedding learning within natural interactions to support skill application across settings, such as within the home, at school, and in the community. Naturalistic teaching allows the client to take the lead in learning activities instead of following a strict structure. When clients engage in activities they enjoy, they stay focused, participate more, and naturally develop new skills. This approach fosters intrinsic motivation, helping them build confidence and learn in a way that feels natural and enjoyable.
Let's learn more about the different types of naturalistic teaching strategies. Comparing naturalistic teaching and discrete trial teaching. Naturalistic teaching is a flexible, client-led approach that embeds learning into everyday activities, while DTT is a structured approach that breaks skills into small and systematic steps taught in a controlled setting. Both methods can be used to teach new skills, but NET is particularly effective at programming for generalization, ensuring that skills are applied across different environments. Discrete trial teaching allows for repeated practice with a planned variety of target stimuli, giving the RBT control over the number of learning opportunities presented. This structured repetition helps clients acquire and master skills more rapidly by ensuring consistent exposure and reinforcement across a large number of trials. Balancing structure and naturalistic learning. Discrete trial teaching and naturalistic teaching each offer unique benefits, and most ABA programs integrate both approaches. For example, an RBT may first teach a client to label colors using DTT, then later that same day teach the skill using NET by asking the client to name the color of their shirt while getting dressed. This combined approach allows clients to achieve skill mastery, build independence, and apply their learning across various contexts. Choosing the right approach. Naturalistic teaching is highly effective for embedding learning within real-world interactions such as communication, social interactions, and daily living tasks. while DTT provides structured learning opportunities that allow for repeated practice and controlled presentation of a wide variety of stimuli. Since all skills being taught during ABA should have meaningful real-world applications, both approaches play a role in supporting skill mastery, independence, and generalization of real-world skills. The best strategy depends on the client's individual learning needs, and often a combination of both leads to the most effective outcomes.
Key takeaways for implementing naturalistic teaching procedures. Client-led learning. Naturalistic teaching encourages engagement and motivation by following the client's interests. This approach makes learning more meaningful and increases participation, ensuring skills are learned in naturally reinforcing contexts. Teaching skills for real-world use. All skills taught in ABA should have meaningful real-world applications for the client, whether taught through NET or DTT. By embedding learning into everyday activities, clients practice skills in the same environments where they will use them, supporting skill mastery, independence, and generalization. Functional communication and social skills. Naturalistic teaching supports both verbal and nonverbal communication by encouraging clients to express their needs and engage with others. Teaching tacting, manding, and conversation skills in natural settings helps clients develop effective social skills and meaningful communication abilities. Reinforcement that matches the skill. NET uses natural reinforcement, where the consequence of a behavior directly relates to the skill being taught. For example, receiving a toy after labeling it. By avoiding secondary reinforcers like stickers or tokens, clients learn to associate communication and functional behavior with meaningful, real-world reinforcement. Collaboration supports success. Parents, caregivers, and educators play a key role in skill development by reinforcing learning across different settings. Consistent application of naturalistic teaching strategies ensures skills are practiced, maintained, and applied in everyday life, supporting long-term success.
Naturalistic teaching is more than just a method. It's a way to help clients build real-world skills that promote independence, meaningful communication, and social connections. As an RBT, your patience, dedication, and creativity allow clients to develop skills that truly impact their daily lives. Whether it's a child labeling their favorite snack, a teenager asking for directions in a store, or a client initiating play with a peer for the first time, your work makes a difference. By embedding learning into everyday activities and working alongside families, you create lasting change. Every skill mastered by your client is a step toward independence, self-advocacy, and lifelong success. Keep believing in your impact because you are shaping brighter futures, one natural learning moment at a time.